Beautiful day. I thought I told you to stop saying that. Fine. Whoa, what's happening? Are the Russians attacking? Oh, Jackie, you non. It's Albert being loud as usual. You know, that figures. Hey, shut it, Albert. All of you, shut it. Okay then. Much better. Oh yeah, and Albert, by the way, you're a full passenger train. Yay! Even though the forecast says it's supposed to rain heavily. Damn it! Oh, shut it. Oh yeah, you're gonna do it alone. Why? Why alone? Yes. God damn it, figures he couldn't come up with anything. Now go get the passenger cars. Alright. I've got the passenger cars. Let's go, I guess. Are we throwing it apart? Yep. Alright, let's get moving. You know, this is going too well so far. Something has to go wrong. Uh-oh, I think it's starting to rain. That's not good. Uh-oh, I can feel my wheels starting to slap. Oh no, I'm getting stuck. No, come on. Come on, come on. No, come on, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, I think I burst a pipe. Albert, oh God, are you okay? Not in the slightest. Oh God, oh, it hurts. Oh no. Oh, it's raining harder, just my luck. Come on, Albert, there's people on this train. We got to get them home. I can't. Come on, Albert. Come on. Oh. Yes, I'm moving. No. Figures, my standing gear is broken too. Come on, gotta make it, Albert. I'm moving! Yes! Come on, Albert, just a few more miles until we reach the station. Oh, I'm almost there. I made it! Oh, thank God. Oh. Albert! Why were you so late? You're in big trouble. But the controller's angry words towards Albert were quickly drowned out by the crowd's cheering. So my boiler's gonna blow. And that's why I have to go to the yard for repairs. Dang, Albert. Well, hey, you're a hero. You made it up that hill with a burst pipe. I can't believe it. Me either. I think it's time I get some sleep now. Good idea.